Hi dear students, welcome back to our channel n-1 Basics of Physics. This is the right place to learn, children. In previous videos we discussed about the derivation of three equations of motions. V is equals to E plus C derivation, S is equals to E plus half A d square derivation, and V square minus U square equals to 2AS derivation we discussed. In this video we are going to discuss about the another equation of motion, that is Sn is equals to U plus A n minus of. So that is the we are going to discuss about in this one. Derivation of equation of motion Sn is equals to U plus of A n minus of. So it is related to the class 9 children. So what is here Sn? Sn is equals to U plus A n minus of. What we know, U is initial velocity. What is A? Acceleration. N is the number of seconds, and Sn is the distance traveled in nth second. Distance traveled in nth second. I will give one example for you, then automatically you can understand this one. What it is? For example, here one boy he was there. He covered 120 meters in 10 seconds. Clear? So here 10 seconds is nothing but n. Clear? A boy is covered 120 meters in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds. N value is what? 10 seconds. And now here he covered 100 meters in 9 seconds. Clear? During his motion he covered 100 meters in 9 seconds and total distance is 120 meters in 10 seconds. Now what is the distance traveled by the person in the last second, that is 10th second? How we can say? Got my point. One boy is there. He was covered 120 meters in 10 seconds. The same boy is, during that motion he covered 100 meters in 9 seconds. In last 1 second he covered how much distance? Then how we can say? Simply here you can write 120 meters minus 100. That is what? 20 meters. So he was covered 20 meters in which second? Already in 100 meters 9 seconds completed. Next coming one is what? 10th second. What is that? 10th second. Clear? So very simple. ఒక బాయ్ ఉన్నాడు, వాడు 120 మీటర్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేశాడు. ఎంత టైంలో? 10 సెకండ్స్ టైంలో ట్రావెల్ చేసిండు. వాడు ఈ విధంగా మూవ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు 9 సెకండ్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యేసరికి వాడు మూవ్ అయిన డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత? 100 మీటర్స్. 9 సెకండ్స్ తర్వాత వచ్చేది 10th సెకండ్. వాట్ ఈస్ 10th సెకండ్. ఆ లాస్ట్ 1 సెకండ్లో ఎంత మూవ్ అయ్యిండు అంటున్నాం. క్లియర్? సో ఇక్కడ ఎస్ అనేది 120 మీటర్స్ ఎప్పుడు? n is equals to 10 seconds అయినప్పుడు, and s is equals to 100 meters. n value is what? 9 seconds. And now s nth. Clear? So last 1 second ఎంత మూవ్ అయింది చెప్తున్నాం? 120 minus 100 అని చెప్తున్నాం. That is what? 20 meters. So that is the here Sn, distance traveled in nth second. Distance traveled in nth second. So children, for that there is formula is there. Distance traveled in nth second is equals to distance traveled in n seconds minus distance traveled in n minus 1 seconds. That only ఇక distance traveled in n seconds అంటున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? 120 meters అనేవి distance traveled in 10 seconds minus distance traveled n minus 1. n is equals to 10 అయినప్పుడు n minus 1 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? 9. అంటే distance traveled in 10 seconds minus distance traveled in 9 seconds. అదే కదా మనం రాసేది. సో అప్పుడేమొస్తుంది? ఆ లాస్ట్ 1 సెకండ్లో ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ మూవ్ అయిందో వస్తుంది. సో ఈ ఫార్ములాని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఈ డెరివేషన్ డెరైవ్ చేయబోతున్నాము. సో లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ దట్. చిల్డ్రన్, వీ నో దట్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్డ్ బై ద బాడీ ఇన్ t seconds ఫార్ములా వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్, s is equals to ud plus half a d square. We are going to use that equation here, children. The distance traveled by the body, distance covered by the body in t seconds, in t time, t seconds is given by what I have to say, s is equals to ud plus of ad square. This is the equation, children. S is equals to ud plus of ad square. So ud plus of ad square, distance travel in t seconds. సో టైం టీ అన్నప్పుడు ఫార్ములా ఏమైంది, ఎస్ ఈక్వల్స్ యూడి ప్లస్ హాఫ్ ఏడి స్క్వేర్ అయింది. ఇప్పుడు నేను టైము ఎన్ సెకండ్స్ అంటున్నా, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, యూఎన్ ప్లస్ హాఫ్ ఏఎన్ స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. క్లియర్. అండ్ నౌ ఎస్, దీని S1 అంటున్నా, దీని S2 అనుకుందాం. దెన్ వాట్ రైట్ హియర్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఏంటి, n-1 సెకండ్స్ కదా, u ఇంటూ n-1 ప్లస్ హాఫ్ ఏ ఇంటూ n-1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఈ ఫార్ములాని బేస్ చేసుకొని రాస్తున్నాం. టైం టీ అన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ టీ ఉంది, టైం ఎన్ సెకండ్స్ అయితే ఏం రాయాలి, టీ బదులు వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఎన్. వెన్ ద టైమ్ టీ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు n-1 వీ హ్యావ్ టు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ n-1. క్లియర్. సో దట్స్ వై హియర్ very simple logic, that is when you have idea about this one you can easily derive the equation. Look here, distance traveled in nth second is, I am writing Sn is equals to distance traveled in n seconds. How we can write in n seconds, instead of t what you have to write n, un plus of a into t means what, n square minus what you have to write again in n-1 seconds, and t value em raskoవాలి, n-1 రాయాలి. సో u into n-1 plus half into a into n-1 whole square, n-1 whole square, children. So now what you have to write, Sn is equals to un plus half an square minus, here you have to multiply these two, u into n, un, u into -1 minus u plus half into a into what is, children, this is in form of a minus b whole square. Then what write, n square plus 1 square minus 2n. Why? Because it is in the form of a plus b whole square, sorry, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is what, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we substitute same here. Clear. After that we will write Sn is equals to un plus half an square minus un minus u, multiply all these things, half a into n square, half a n square, again half a into 1, half a, 1 square is what, 1 only, again minus half a into 2n. Clear. So now what do you know, 2 cancel, what do we know, an is there. After that un plus half an square minus లోపల తీసుకెళ్తాం, అవుతుంది minus of plus minus un minus of minus plus u minus of plus minus half an square and minus of plus minus half a and a minus of minus plus an. Okay, children, now we have to observe very carefully here, this is the plus un and this is the minus un, these two are cancelled. Clear. And now children, this is the half an square and this is the minus of an square, these two are cancelled. Now we have to look at how many factors we have here, u is there, minus of a is there, plus an is there. That's why we have to write them. Sn is equals to u plus of an and minus of a, minus of a, children. So then S is equals to what, right, u plus of, in these two which is common, a is common, then what, right, a of n minus of. So children, this is the derivation of Sn is equals to u plus of a minus of n minus a of n minus of. So this is the expression for distance traveled. What it is, distance traveled in nth second. So children, మీకు ఏమైనా డెరివేషన్లో డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఒకసారి వీడియోని పాజ్ చేసుకొని చూసుకోండి. చిల్డ్రన్, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ జస్ట్ pause the video and go back and check it again. So while you are watching the video, you must practice the derivation and must write the notes. Okay children, if you can understand this one, like, share, comment the video children. If any one of your friend from our school or other than our school, so you have to suggest them to subscribe our channel to get the physics information very clearly. Okay, thank you.